What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2017 Genesis G80 3.8. This vehicle is powered by a 3.8 liter V6, 311 horsepower, and 293 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is also offered with a 5 liter V8. And this was the entry engine option, but still this V6 has 311 horsepower, which is pretty good. The Genesis G80 has always been a very nice car to drive. This is like one of the earlier ones, of course, before it was like redesigned and everything, but yeah, very nice to drive. Genesis obviously the luxury mark of Hyundai. Genesis logo right there, and you can scroll through your menus right there. You have analog gauges with the center screen. You do have a reverse camera, and you have a rear sunshade that will close when you use the reverse camera. You also have heated seats and ventilated seats, which is nice. The seats are very comfortable as well in this vehicle. Pretty good center console storage. You also have open port wood trim. And you have a pretty big panoramic sunroof. That's cool to see a panel roof in a sedan. You don't really see that all that often. And let's walk around the car and see what it looks like. You also have a Lexicon sound system. That was like the premium sound system in a lot of Kias and Hyundais from this like model year, from these model years. I don't know if they still have Lexicon as an option or not. LED daytime running lights, Genesis badge up front. LED taillights with dual outlet exhaust. You also have a 3.8 badge on the back to tell you it's the V6. It's also a pretty big sedan. You have really good rear legroom, and you also have sunshades, pretty luxurious features. That's pretty cool. Yeah, like you would expect a G90 to have this kind of legroom, not a G80. So that's cool that it has this much legroom. Trunk is pretty spacious as well. You also have a little cargo net. It's cool. Let's get this car on the road and see what it's like to drive now. It's pretty quiet in here too. When you shut that door, you can see how quiet it is in here. You also have Eco Sport modes. Pretty quick, and that engine sounds really good. Has a very deep tone to the way it sounds. I really like that. And then you also have paddle shifters behind the wheel too. Yeah, this car sounds really good, guys. And it's pretty responsive to the paddles as well. That's good to see. And it feels really smooth too. Very smooth ride in this car. It's very comfortable. Very nice. I like it. So yeah, like visibility is good with the giant mirrors. I mean windows, not mirrors. Speaking of mirrors, you also have blind spot alert. But yeah, steering feels good. Acceleration feels smooth. The car's pretty quick. Paddle shifters respond, and the seats are, as I said, are very comfortable. Very good support for my back and my legs. Everything feels good. drive normally now. Man, that's smooth. This car has 93,000 miles on it. Definitely feels a lot smoother than that. I'm very impressed with it. See, like, Genesis has always been very underrated. Like, they make really, really nice and luxurious cars. For less cost than a German rival, or even some Japanese rivals, you know what I mean? I mean, Genesises have become a lot more expensive these days. But in general, they're cheaper than the competition, than the luxury competition, while providing a lot more features. Man, that V6 sounds so good. I don't know if the sound is synthesized or anything like that, but it sounds good. It sounds like, it has like a deep sound to it. It doesn't sound like what I'm trying to say is it sounds good. It has a deep sound. It sounds good. It doesn't sound like it has like a weak engine or something. It feels like it has a very robust engine. You can tell by the sound of a car, of an engine, by, you know, the quality of it. Like, the engine sound of a car is like brings out, it's like shows you the personality of a vehicle, which is one thing that electric cars lack. Is like they sound like nothing. That's why I just love having a vehicle with an engine. And I like the paddle shifters. They are plastic, but they have good like, they actually, whenever you press them, it doesn't feel like a little cheap thing. It actually has a good feedback. Makes you feel like you actually did something when you shifted. I like those parking sensors that turn on as well. But overall, this is a nice 2017 Genesis G80 3.8. Very nice car to drive. Very comfortable. It's pretty quick. I would love to try out the V8 version as well eventually. But yeah, nice car. Thanks for watching another video of Groove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for high quality pre-owned vehicles like this one.